Hi everyone. Today let's generate the formula based Mount Fairweather report using Excel. So welcome to the series of quick report generation. Here I have the sample sheet and in which you can enter or replace your information to generate this kind of report card. So here at the top you can see there is a school or institute information and you need to enter the same information over here in the school sheet like school name, address, report name, logo, promoted to. So this promoted to and the grade boundary has been printed below. Here is a grade boundary and here is a promoted to, and here is the academic year as well. So this is the royal blue theme and some other best supported themes are over here, and you can copy and paste one of these themes if you wish to change the theme to this theme cell. Now let's move to the student data. Here you need to enter the student information like student name, class name, year, date of birth, roll number, date and the attendance details. And suppose the student is promoted to the next class, then enter yes. If the student is not promoted to next class, then enter no. Here is the same information: the student name, class name, year, date of birth and the roll number, and the attendance details are over here. The total instructional days, present days and absent days. Now let's move further to the subject wise results. In the student sheet I have only 5 students, but you can have any number of students. Now here is the roll number, student name, the term 1, the weightage is 20%, the term 2 weightage is 20%, and the term 3 60%, and there are total marks. So you need to enter the obtained marks here and the total marks. So this will print over here. So this kind of marks you need to enter for all the subjects. So this will print over here like this: the term 1, term 2, term 3 and the obtained marks. And here is a final grade. Now let's move to the student comment. So here as you can see there is a student comment as a class teacher's comment. Here you need to enter the roll number, student name and the comment in front of the student name. Now the signature. Here I have the signature holder name, the designation and the digital signature. You can change the name, designation and upload the digital signature over here. So this digital signature printed here at the bottom. So this is how we can generate the formula based Mount Fairweather report using Excel. So head on to EduCloud to generate such report and feel free to contact us on support@educloud.app for further information. Thank you.